The next authentication protocol we're going to cover is Challenge Handshake Authentication Protocol, or CHAP. Now, CHAP sends a message digest 5 or MD5 digest of the original password over the link. The original password, Cisco, we're going to pick, will never be exchanged over that link. For that reason, both sides must know the password and have a database, have a username and password in their database to begin with. So we must create the username and password for each side, authenticating the other side on both sides. No, that was wrong. With Challenge Handshake Authentication Protocol, the original password or the actual clear text password is never sent across the link. However, a message digest 5 or an MD5 hash of the password is exchanged over the link. To configure CHAP, you must create a username password database on both sides of the link. So I'm going to go to router 1, which I'm here, say username R2 password Cisco, and I'm going to go to R2 and say username R1 password Cisco. Now, I'm going to make router 1 the authenticator again. So on router 1, I'm going to say interface 000 encapsulation PPP. I had taken away the encapsulation PPP from both ends before I started this part of the lecture, so router 2 is still HDLC at this point, which is why the interface state has been changed to down. Then I'm going to say PPP authentication CHAP. And then I'm going to go to router 1 and change the encapsulation to PPP. And at that point, the link should come up. Encapsulation PPP. Give it a minute, and the link came up. Ping the other side, 200.111, which is router 1. I'm sitting on router 2. And my link is up. So as you see, CHAP is a little bit easier to configure than PAP, because you only need to assign the username and password on both ends, and then change the encapsulation to PPP on both ends, and then make one side the authenticator, and the other side is going to be the authenticatee. At this point, if we check our interface brief, keep forgetting the word IP, my interface says up, up. This concludes the PPP lecture.